And honored to be part of the Sisters family. This is, I think, my first endorsement after giving birth. Yeah, first endorsement after giving birth. So thank you to Sisters and to Megastock for trusting me with this brand. Siyempre kasi before, sinasabi na pag nagkaanak ka, parang di mo alam kung ano mangyayari sa career mo, magiging nanay ka na lang. But I guess times have really changed and we're really showing people the modern mom and that we can really tackle anything even after giving birth.
And you was mentioning kanina yung background products, so baka maybe I can share about.
Actually, yung unang product na, tulad na sabi ni Kuya Jerry kanina, ang unang product na hiningi ko sa Sisters when we sealed the deal was yung menstrual pants nila. Kasi alam ko talaga na yun ang magagamit ko sa hospital after giving birth. And parang even a couple weeks after giving birth. Kasi syempre may heavy bleeding pa eh. Especially for those na naging nanay na alam na nila na, shucks, may bleeding. Paano ko ba, how will I take care of my hygiene during this time? So it was a really big help for me in the hospital and even after pagka-uwi ko sa bahay.
Satisfied ka sa inquirer mo? Okay. Thank you. Ang galing sumagot to, parang beauty pageant talaga pero winner. Eto, birthday niya.
Happy birthday!
Pero susurprise namin sa mamaya.
Surprise ko pare.
Kasi nasabi ko naman din na may buffet siya. Kauna-unahang tao sa Pilipinas na nakapink. Inunahan pa niya.
Thank you so much for the buffet.
Yes, and the birthday girl, Tessa. Happy 90th birthday, Tessa.
First of all, I want to thank you, Megan, for coming to my birthday.
No problem.
It's not just me, it's also Bobby's.
Oh, happy birthday also! And thank you for having me at your birthday.
Kaya mo na lang siya para pag-Miss World siya. Guys, birthday naman ni Tess, no? Kailangan niyo siyang wag lang niyang agawan ng Sisters Pink ang kanyang dress.
Sisters
Thank
Pink,
you. No, but again, congratulations, and you really still have that new mommy glow, and you are beautiful as ever. But what do you think has changed in Megan since becoming a mom?
I think when it comes to being responsible for other people, mas nadagdagan yun. Kasi before, lagi ko iniisip, me, or parang Mikael, ano ba yung kailangan namin as a couple. But I think my awareness, not just for Leon, our baby, but for all the other people around me has become mas hyper-aware na ako doon. Maybe because during the time nung buntis ako, a lot of people were taking care of me and I really took notice of that, and I'm very grateful na sobrang daming tumulong at nag-alaga sa akin noong time na yun. So, gusto kong ibalik yun sa mga tao na nakapaligid sa akin, most especially now. Kasi ang laking tulong nila sa akin na maging healthy, na maging masaya ako during the times na nahihirapan talaga ako sa pagbubuntis ko. And even after yung postpartum, I just want to be able to make sure na I take care even more of the people around me.
So, I mean, I think back in June, there was a video that you guys put up your, I think when you just given birth, and you, tears of joy naman yun, diba? Some moms, diba, especially since it's the first, nagkakaroon din ng postpartum depression, because it really is a difficult time, diba, to adjust. Was there any like, may konting lows din ba, during the first few days because it was such an adjustment that you had to make?
I would say during the first 2 months siguro, naramdaman ko yung intense sadness. Intense sadness, intense emotions, intense happiness. So lahat extreme eh. So hindi ko napipigilan na parang intensely maging masaya ako. So sobrang saya ko, naiiyak talaga ako. Or hindi naman ako pikon talaga, pero may mga times na, di ba, alam niyo naman si Mikael, sobrang maloko siya, ma-joke siya. Minsan nag-joke siya, pumitik ako sa kanya, sabi ko, di ko ba alam, ganyan. Tapos parang after ko masabi yun, parang sorry kasi hindi ko talaga napipigilan yung emotions ko. So thankfully, tinulungan niya ako dun sa pag-process ng lahat ng emotions na yon. Whether extreme happiness, extreme sadness, or extreme anger during those times. So, feeling ko, kaya hanggang mga 2 months lang yung ganong extreme emotions ko. because he really helped me process everything I was going through.
And like you said, just to second to your endorsement, I know it helps, diba, when you are at that stage when everything is new and when you have to take care not just of yourself, but obviously of a little person, that you have all the right things that you will help you, even yung sabi mo nga, the mental pull-ups and all these
kasi
things.
kailangan,
Parang hindi mo naiisipin.
parang you need things na makakapagpadali sa buhay mo para at least makapunta ka na sa anak mo, maalagaan mo na siya agad. Totoo pala yun na parang sometimes you tend to forget yourself para alagaan mo yung baby mo. But thankfully, there are products and newer products that are coming out na parang mom-focused or parang gearing towards moms nowadays.
Because there are always the, two special people when it happens, right? So you give birth, the baby and you. Sabi nga nila, birthdays din daw is the celebration of the mom.
Of course.
So, we celebrate you and we celebrate the coming of your new baby. And congratulations. We look forward. I'm sure they're going to ask when we'll see you again, in shows, but I'll leave that question to them. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much. Happy birthday ulit.
Thank you so much.
Birthday niya kaya naya ko siya magsona. Okay lang. Okay, nandito ang aking kambal. Ang gwapong-gwapong si Nicky Wang ng Manila Standard.
Thank you.
Hello.
Again, congratulations sa endorsement. We understand that kapag naging mother ka na, nag-iba yung priorities mo in life, of course. But then again, you still find time to prioritize ourselves.
Yeah.
Diba? Ikaw ba, paano nagbago, or have you found other ways to prioritize yourself? Just, sabi nga nila, you cannot give something na wala ka.
Yeah.
So, how do you parang manage that?
If I'm going to be very honest, nung umpisa talaga, hindi ko naalagaan yung sarili ko. And that's one thing na I'm grateful again for my husband, si Mikael. Kasi lagi niya ako pinapaalala, ano yung gusto mong gawin? Ano yung gusto mong gawin para sa sarili mo? Or, mag-gym ka today, di ba gusto mong mag-gym? Kasi feeling niya, na-overwhelm ako minsan sa lahat ng responsibilities as a mom. Na sabi niya, huwag mong kalimutan yung sarili mo, Bones. Alam ko gusto mong gawin to. Ako nang bahala dito. So, having that reassurance from him helps me parang get out of that zone and out of that mom guilt na, parang team naman kami dito as husband and wife. Dapat hati din kami sa responsibilities. So, minsan, I wouldn't say na pinagdadamot ko, pero parang I guess it's like a mom thing na parang you just wanna be in charge of everything na ako na bahala dito, kaya ko na to. Pero dapat matutunan ko rin na hindi, kaya rin naman ni Mikael to. Kahit na-injured siya ngayon, kaya na yan. So, the things that I've been able to do for myself is, one, I'm able to work out now that na-clear na ako ng doctor ko. So even walking for 30 minutes in a day, sobrang happy na yun sa system ko, and it makes me feel so much better just having a 30-minute walk. And then, nakakapagpa-nails na ako. Kaya, mga maliit na bagay, nails, manicure, pedicure, these are little things na parang add up and make you feel so much better about yourself na, naalagaan ko rin yung sarili ko. So I feel better carrying myself through the day and taking care of my baby later on.
And also, they say na kapag naging parent ka na, there are things that you discover in yourself na you didn't know na you're capable to do pala. Meron ka bang mga ganong moments?
Yes. Mga bagay na hindi ko alam na kaya ko. I always say na I feel like I am a strong follower. Ibig sabihin na, syempre, there are other people that are great leaders, diba? Minsan feeling ko, hindi ako masyadong leader. And I feel like that's more Mikael in the relationship. But I think throughout this journey and this year, especially after na-injure si Mick, parang feeling ko mas naging leader ako. And I didn't know na kaya ko pala mag-lead ng family namin, mag-lead dun sa mga gagawin namin. And I feel very proud to say that kasi it's not something na akala ko kaya ko gawin.
And finally, how does it feel, to be part of a brand na nakaka-resonate sa, women like you?
I'm very honored, honestly, to be chosen as their newest ambassador because it's a brand that is trusted by Filipinos, and I want to make sure that I work with brands that I truly believe in and that I know that I will love using, I will love sharing with family and friends. And I guess testament na rin to dun sa mga friends and family namin, even yung management namin, alam nila yan na pag meron kaming product, sinishare talaga namin. And we want to make sure na happy kami sa paggamit, happy din yung mga tao sa paligid namin sa paggamit.
Thank you. Congrats.
Thank you!
Ganda bilang tanong niya, oh. Ito na, from our kapuso, GMANetwork.com, si Nerissa Almo.